In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn 50 to 100 cedis daily just by posting on WhatsApp. Yes, just by posting on WhatsApp, at the same time liking and commenting other people's YouTube channels, as well as subscribing to their YouTube channels, and also just following people on Instagram and also on TikTok. Yes, this is possible. The one that I really like about is just posting on your WhatsApp status. Yes, and this is going to earn you cool cash per day. So without wasting my time, let me quickly take you to my phone to know the app that you are going to use to do such a business, and also the simple steps and how you are going to register so as to earn on this app. This is very nice and it is going to get you something per day. Now let's get started. You click on the first link in the video description to open the site. So when you open the website, then you fill in your details like your first name, you enter your last name, you enter your email address, your password, and you see enter referral code. My referral code is on the screen. Just input this referral code there. Then you select the country. These countries are available to be registered on the live. So if you are from any of these countries, you can earn by just posting on WhatsApp. Then you click on the sign up button. When you click on the sign up button, verification code will be sent to your email. Then you verify it from there. Then you come to the login session to log in. When login is successful, you see the home page. That is, you can advertise, okay, at the same time you perform tasks there. So the task there, it says earn money by posting business adverts on your WhatsApp and social media. Okay, yeah. And also you see the affiliate market. You can see there are some people who are selling their products through this site, and you can be an affiliate to that. And we have the wallet. Wallet is where you'll be able to check your funds and also withdraw your funds to your mobile money or bank account. Then we have refer and earn. Anytime you use your link to refer another person, you get commissions for that. So here is what you are going to do to perform the task. Okay, you can see we have these tags here. We have, if you follow an account and like on Instagram, you are going to get 70 pesos. And also when you post on WhatsApp status and you get 50 to 100 views, you are going to be paid 1 cedi. Also, when you subscribe to a YouTube channel, you will get 50 pesos in your account. And also when you post on WhatsApp status and you get 30 to 50 views, you are going to be paid 50 pesos. So you can cross check on any of these tags and select the one you want, and you can see load more tasks. With the load more tasks, you buy a plan so as to unlock more tasks to increase your earnings on this site. So for instance, let me click on the post on WhatsApp status, and when you click on post on WhatsApp status, you will see WhatsApp required. So here you need to verify your WhatsApp number so as to get more tasks on WhatsApp. At the same time, you need to verify your Instagram, your TikTok, your Facebook so as to receive more tasks and earn more. So when you click on the WhatsApp to verify your account, you see copy caption and download video. So you first of all have to download the video, and when you click on the download video to take you to Google or Google Chrome, then you download the video from there. Then you copy the caption too at the same time. So you can see when you copy and download the video, to say post the downloaded video together with the caption on your WhatsApp status. After that, you send a screenshot of your WhatsApp status with our post and caption 12 hours after the post. So when you post the video on your WhatsApp status, then you wait 12 hours after the post, then you take a screenshot, then you come down here, you go down here to submit the screenshot and also verify your WhatsApp number that you used to make the post. Okay, so here then you choose the screenshot file, then you check the I have completed all steps successfully, then you click on the submit button to submit your report. Okay, so when you are done, you will see that your WhatsApp will be verified. Then you go ahead to verify the Instagram, the TikTok, Facebook and Twitter so as to receive tasks to be performed on this social media, and it is very simple. And when you verify your WhatsApp, your Instagram, this is what you are going to see. You see pending. That is, after 12 hours, it will be approved. By posting pictures, videos on your WhatsApp as a form of advertising people's product. Yes, this is really paying. So you see, after 12 hours, my WhatsApp and Instagram is approved, which means I can start earning by posting on WhatsApp and at the same time following people's accounts on Instagram. So when you go to tax section, you see a lot of tasks like this, that is to post on WhatsApp and get paid. So I select the one I want to perform, then you go down, you see start this task, you click on start this task, and you have just 1 day and 2 hours to complete that task. Then you see when you come down, you see download image. So the first you need to do is to download the image there. Okay, when you click on the download the image, it will direct you to Google or Google Chrome. Then you download the image there. Then you will see caption, and right beside it there is copy there. Then you click on the copy to copy the caption. Then when the caption is copied, then you click on the download to download the image through Google or Google Chrome. Okay, so you download the image. So when the image is downloaded, you see this is the image. Then you pick this image, you post it on your WhatsApp status, then add the caption which you copied to it. So let me go to WhatsApp. Then I go to WhatsApp, then pick the image there that I downloaded from Google. Then I paste it there, then add the caption which I copied on the site to it. So this is the caption. Then I paste the caption there, then I just post it on my WhatsApp status. And anytime I get 30 to 50 views on the post, then I screenshot it and send it to the site as a proof, and I am going to be paid for doing such a task. When you come back to the site, you see proof description, and in the proof description section you enter your WhatsApp number that you used to make the post, and also you see click here to upload screenshot. Then the screenshot that you made, that is the post that you made when you got the 30 to 50 views, then you just upload it there. Then you click on submit proof and end. Then when you are done, they'll review it, then you will just be paid for doing such a task. This is the task that I performed this morning. Then this morning, the task that I performed, and within just 4 or 5 minutes I was able to accumulate 3 cedis 20 pesos there, and that's great. And I'll perform more. So when it comes to the withdrawal, you go to the end section, then you see withdraw. Okay, so the amount there, you just withdraw the amount there, then you are good to go. Okay, you are good to go. And before that, before you withdraw, you need to make sure that you add your payment method to it. That's the, if you want to receive it through mobile money, then you click that, you select that, then you enter the name on your Momo wallet and also the number that you want to receive the money from. So when I click on withdraw, you see pending. Within small possible time, not even up to 2 minutes, you get paid, and you get notification on your mobile money that the amount has been paid. Bear in mind, there's a tax that they deduct from it. Okay, there's a tax that they deduct from it. So like the 3 cedis that I withdrawn from the site, I paid a fee of 1 cedi 6 pesos on it, and also I was settled with an amount of 2 cedis 14. So within this small possible time, the amount just came. That payment received for 2 cedis 14 pesos. Okay, if this video is helpful, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and also turn on the notification bell so that anytime I post a video like this, you get it. Like this video, and also do not forget to share for your friends to also benefit. Just share for your friends to also benefit. Here is the Talk Tech. That is the talk of the tech.